Hey, welcome back to the channel, RC Crawler Talk. And this episode is kind of a what's going on with the channel, what's going on the bench, projects that I need to get back to, need to get finished. Took a little break, a little hiatus. Got to get recharged and re-energized. So these are some projects that I've started, and I really got to get them done. This guy here is a Kodiak Lexan body. 6x6. It's going to be a tandem, or it's going to be a crawler hauler essentially. I've got a good start on it. It's got AR60 rears, full through output drive, all this, that, and the other thing. Did some custom shock hoops and link mounts. This one's going to be kind of fun. This is, oh gosh, probably 3 years in the making. I really need to get back to the metal work on that. Got a little caged 4-wheel steer AR60s. It's going to have forward motor mount, front rear dig. It's going to be a fun little project. And then my old C2, it's a Toyzuki Class 2 SORRCA rig. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this one yet. It might go up for sale, or it might become just another trail truck. Not sure. Then I got the old Holmes. I was going to do kind of a Holmes tribute build. Corvair body, of course. Milestar Patagonias. Nice methods. I love the blue on there. It's really sharp. Kind of wanted to really comp cut and chop this guy down and get it super low, but it's the TGH Holmes Sport chassis, so it's the aluminum version. All the TGH forward motor mount, Toyzuki T case, Vanquish F10s. Yeah, want to get this one going too. This one's just going to be kind of a goof off truck. Then I got my trail truck, one of my trail trucks. This is the Element Enduro. So it's got IFS front, Swampers of course, and it's the budget servo, Holmes motor, Castle Mamba X, and then I rear leaf sprung it. So it's got leaf springs on the back. That one's going to be a fun little rig too. I did a custom aluminum rear bumper, custom front steel bumper, lights. It's got full My Trick RC light kit on it, headlights, but the paint's just garbage. So I got to do something different with the paint. Maybe I'll paint the black on the outside. The blue's okay in most spots. That one's got a little wows in it. But I need to do something with that, so I want to finish that. I got mirrors and wipers and make it a scale rig. It's not the most capable, but it's pretty fun and it will surprise you. Then last fall I picked up this tank. I got plans for this tank, and you'll see a build video on the channel with that. That's going to be fun little project. And plus I got my AXIAL SCX6 all torn apart. CL Designs 3D printed forward motor mount and T case. Of course, my Hobby Soul wheels, landmine tires, of course. And it's all the parts and pieces and bits and stuff in there. So this one's going to be a lot of fab work. I really need to get back on this one before August. And then, on the wall here, I still have my Class 1. SORRCA Class 1, SORRCA Class 3, the Capra, aka Mega Goat, that's straight axled, 3-gear trans. That one's a fun trail rig. The old AXIAL SCX6 forward motor mount, SSD diamonds, 4.3 Swampers with the Element body. That's a good truck. My Top Truck Challenge truck, the Mutt 4-wheel steer. That one's just, got to clean the mud off, get it going. And then my original bouncer that I built years ago. I definitely don't drive that one nearly as much. Maybe once, maybe twice a year. And while these projects aren't enough, I decided I need to build a Class 2. I'm a little behind the times, but I got a VRD carbon kit. The idea with this one, I've got all the gear off my Toyzuki C2. So I've got landmines, locked up RC wheels and rings. I love those wheels and I love the tires. Holmes revolver, NSD servo winch, Crawlmaster V2, and of course the Clod body. So the idea behind this guy is going to be high performance competition chassis kit. So we're going to build a full SORRCA Class 2 comp truck, and I'm not going to do anything different with this. I'm just going to put it together. All the modifications and everything is going to be in the body, sliders, bumpers, roll bar or headache rack. And then I'm going to go comp it and see what happens before I do any mods to this. I'm not going to put any brass on it. I'm not going to change up the shocks. I'm going to leave it the way it is and see how comp capable this chassis kit can be. So that one's going to be a fun build. Most of the time is going to be in all the body work, of course. And I'm not sure exactly when I'm going to go. Probably going to go pinched, drop bed for points. That one's going to have a full build video as well. So I'm going to come back and channel and check that one out. But just let you guys know I'm still kicking around, still doing life stuff. We had house issues we had to take care of, so I've kind of been gone for a while. And I'm trying to get fired back up, trying to get stuff done. So this will be fun. So stick around. If you like what you see, come on back. And hopefully I'll have some more videos for you guys. I'm kind of putting up some old running videos. Comps from last year that I may or may not put videos on. I don't recall. So I'm just kind of trying to keep the channel alive. Trying to keep motivated. Bringing you guys some content and some cool stuff. So hopefully you guys come on back. Check it out. And keep an eye on the channel. Keep an eye on Instagram too if I can find time to start posting there, but these ones are going to be fun to do. So, all right. Hey, thanks for tuning in. This is just a quick update, and like, subscribe, and hopefully you can check out the videos as I build. All right. Later.